Hey, hi everyone. My name is Deepesh Sharma. I am a founder and CEO at Barracan, and today in this video we are going to talking about the five ideology of my business. Why? Because today my company Barracan Business Outsourcing has been completed 5 years successfully. Therefore, I am sharing my five ideology in this video. So let's start one by one. So first I am going to tell you the five ideology which we will discuss in this video. So first ideology, which is very important, this is business management. And the second ideology is business mathematical calculation. Third, business process knowledge. Fourth, sales and marketing. And last one is consistency and follow up. So I hope you understand what I am sharing with you, the five ideology. First one is business management, second is business mathematical calculation, third one is business process knowledge, which is very interesting and very important. Fourth one is sales and marketing. This is the pillar of the business. And the fifth one is consistency and follow up. So let's discuss in detail one by one, and you can also apply these these five ideology, and definitely believe me, you can grow up your business. So first one is business management. What is the business management? What you need to do? So business management, basically you need to understand the process of management. First you need to understand yourself. What is your caliber, what is your capacity, what is your potential? So according to your potential, according to your capacity, you need to choose that particular business. For example, if you have a potential, because I don't know what is your potential and what is your capacity, so your business, it doesn't depend your interest or your like what you want and what would you like to do in the market. It doesn't matter. If you choose any business, that business should be manageable. That means that particular business is equal to your potential, your capability. For example, if you think more than your capabilities, your potential is 50%. First you need to understand yourself. What is your potential? What you can give? How many hours you can give? When you will stuck? For example, if you are running with someone and you will tired, you will not able to run after 2 minutes. That means your potential is 2 minutes. You can't run till continuously till 2 hours or 5 minutes. This is your potential. You need to understand your potential first, or if according to your potential you need to choose the business. Your potential and your business potential should be equal. If your business, if you choose any business and the potential of that particular business is very high, then you need to increase your potential and you need to prepare mentally or physically. This is the first criteria. That means your potential, will be define the management skill of your business. So first you need to identify, you need to know very well your potential, your caliber, your capabilities, and that on the basis of your potential and capabilities you need to choose that particular business. Then you can run that business. This is the first priority. For example, if you are thinking to start like recruitment agencies, and there are a lot of meetings, call, conference to with your clients, and you need to invest too much money also, and you don't have potential, then you don't need to choose that particular business. So first important thing, your business management. Your business management depends on your potential. As per your potential, as per your discipline, as per your determination, as per your hard working, is depend on like how to manage your particular business. Okay, this is the first important thing. And now the second thing is business mathematical calculation. Business mathematical calculation, that means your business should be calculative. Yes, you need to know how much money will be required, how much the net profit, how much the rate of percentage which you will get in the revenue. Every calculation you need to have on your paper. For example, like your business wants 5,000 every month, 5,000 USD or 5,000 rupees every month required for running your business, and you don't have the money and you don't have the way to get the finance, you don't have the facility of finance, or you don't have any investors, then how can you calculate it? Because calculation will be identify how long you can run the business, right? So the business should be calculated. What you need to calculate? You need to calculate all the scenario, you need to calculate your product or services, you need to calculate the cost, you need to calculate the expenses, you need to calculate the revenue, you need to calculate the profit and loss, how much money you will receive, and how much you are investing. That means what is the percent rate of percentage your business. At least you can run your business on BEP till 1 year or maybe 2 year. So your business should be calculated according to your criteria. Okay, so one by one you need to write down the point, what are the points which where you need to invest money, what are the liabilities, what will be the requirements, and according to the requirements or your liability or expenses, you need to invest, you need to think on your bank statement, your bank balance. Because if you choose any XYZ business, it depends upon you, and you don't have calculation, and now your business uh, asking, sorry, not asking, wants, your business wants approx 10,000 rupees every month, but you don't have right now 10,000 rupees every month, then how can you run that business till long long time? Okay, for example, if you have 5 lakh rupees, right, and you don't know when you will receive the revenue, when you will get the profit, and you are investing money 1 lakh rupees every month, and you spend 5 lakh rupees till 5 year, and you don't have any return, any revenue, any result, then definitely you will stop that business, and you will lose, you will lose the money also and your time also. So your business should be calculative. Now the third thing, which is really very important, you need to understand the business process knowledge. So business process knowledge, that means I'm giving you the advice, don't want to learn the new technology, new skills. If you are doing a business, don't invest your money to learn skills. You need to understand the process of that particular skills. For example, right now AI is very popular in the market, in the IT sector, and as well as data analyst. Like I'm talking about the Python, Power BI. So there are various technologies, various softwares, and various methodology is available in the market. And if if you will try to learn everything, every skills, if you will try to learn every skill, that means you are not able to prepare for doing the business. Because if you have a skill, then you need to do a job. For example, if your classmate is very intelligent, he is getting a good marks, then definitely he will get the placement in Google, Capgemini, in McKinsey or JP Morgan, whatever it is, or maybe Google or Microsoft. So if you have a skill, then you can do the job, then you can do the production for that particular service. Okay, so you need to understand the process which is happening in the market. for the new technology, for the new skills, you need to learn the process, what exactly the process is working, what is the pipeline of that particular business, sorry, process, what is the pipeline of that particular process. For example, if you want to start import export business, right? So what you need to know, you don't need to know how to learn the basic criteria, how to communicate the clients, and what is the knowledge of the products, right? And if you want to start IIT company, then you don't need to learn the Python skills or like Power BI or something else. You just need to understand the process, what information and what tools and what skills required for that particular business. For example, if you want to start a software company, then you need to understand which software you are going to start, and that software, particular software, is already available in the market or not. If it is available, then you need to understand what is the procedure, what is the process of that particular, what is the process, or what is the working yeah, what is the working process of that particular software, and what kind of result they are giving. So first you need to understand step by step what are the strategy for making that particular uh, software of skills, and you need to understand how it works and what are the consequence. If your client is utilize that particular skill or particular software, then you need to understand the process, that means from A to Z. If process on that particular skills is going through step by step, definitely step by step, so you need to understand those steps. You don't need to understand how to operate that particular skill. I hope you understand what I'm telling to you. First you need to understand the process instead of skills. If you will try to learn or invest your time on learning the skills, then definitely you will get job, you will become an employee. So you need to understand the process, whole process, what are the documentation, what are the license requirement, and how many employees, what is the skills, how many skills and how many employee required for that particular assignments when that particular skills required, right? So everything, like what are the license are required, how many license are required, and how many systems are required, what are the how many systems are required, and which server is good for that particular skills or software, and as well as how many staffs you need to invest in that particular assignment. So you need to understand each and every process for that particular skills or business idea. This is very very important. Because the process is very very important, you need to be aware for each and every step. You don't need to skip any loophole. So you will be aware every loophole, because when you will stuck anywhere, then you are not able to identify how to resolve it and how to crack the competition. So process is very very must. Okay, so it depends upon, because I don't know which business you will start, and which process are available for that, will be applied for that particular the business, right? So the process is very very important as per your business idea. Now the fourth point is sales and marketing, which is really very important, because without sales and marketing you will not get the revenue, you will not get the client. So it is continuously process, it is very effective and essential process. Sales and marketing, what is the sales and marketing? So sales is basically uh, to share the information of your product or services to the target customer, right? That means you need to making some prospects on the basis of lead generation, right? On the basis of lead generation, you need to create some prospects, and that prospects will convert into the clients, and that clients will convert into the paid clients, and that paid client will take your services or purchase your product, and then you will get the revenue. So this is very important. How to do the sales is basically depends on your business idea, what kind of business you have, and as per your business you need to target the audience. For example, if you have a IT business, then definitely you need to target the business owner which is working in IT industries or some other industries also, because IT will be applicable in every industries, like software requirement for every, if it is a construction industry, or it is a IT industry, or it is a manufacturing industry, definitely software will be applicable for everywhere. If it is a service related industry, then definitely like a CPA, like a taxation firm, or like recruitment firm, so definitely they need a server, they need a software, they need an application, they need like other technology and tools. In that case, you need to target that audience. That means you need to capture that audience. How you will capture the audience? There are various platforms. You need to create the leads first. The first step, you need to create the leads. You need to have the data for working on lead generation. First you need to collect the data for that particular the business requirement, what kind of business you are going to start. As per your business, you need to collect the data of customers. Then you need to work on that particular data. You need to do the lead generation on that particular data. After that you will get some prospects, and that prospect is your client, and your client will give you the money when you will get the when you will provide the services. Then after some time you will get the revenue. And what about the marketing? Marketing is a internal part, it is a base of the sales. Without marketing, that means the lead generation, it is a part of marketing. Your promotion, your post, your content, you need to create content, you need to collect the data on different platform. So you need to create some content, some campaign, you need to run some campaign, or as well as you need to create some videos, very effective videos, some marketing strategies you need to apply on the social media platform, or email marketing as well. So first you need to create the content. After completing the content, you need to share on social media, and on a daily basis you need to share the data. You need to aware about your services, what exactly you are giving in the market, and what is special in your company, what is special benefit in your company, and what exactly you are providing in this current scenario. So everything you need to cover in the marketing, right? So this is a part of marketing. And the last point and the fifth point is consistency and follow up. So what is the consistency and follow up? Why? Because your business definitely going like this, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So when you will reach at the top, you will be happy, you will be very positive, right? And after some time, definitely it will going down. Then you maybe some businessmen try to quit and stop that and wind up that particular business and services. Why? Because I told you the previous steps, like business management, business mathematical calculation, and process knowledge, business process knowledge, and sales and marketing. If there is if it is there any lacking in the four previous steps, then definitely you will stuck when you will get down in your business. Then you will try to quit that business. So you need to keep consistent, you need to work consistently, right? You need to work consistently on your business, and try to work on your previous lead generation data. You need to try to make on prospects. You need to work on prospects, those who are showing interest before, and you need to take follow up on that data, because consistency is basically a follow up. It is a part of follow up. That means you will try to approach again and again the same customer which was not showing interest before, and some people told to you, yes, I will told to you in future, and I will let you know in future, like that. So you need to collect and you need to work on that data. So again and again you need to change the strategy, you need to change the price, you need to change the features, and some updates. You need to work consistently on your business. Don't need to follow the same steps. That means, for example, if I say like you are using the mobile phone in 2005. On that time we were using the keypad phone, right? After some time we got a screen touch phone. After some time we got Android phone. Now 4G. Now we have 5G also. So the updates are continuously growing and changes. So you you already created some content, and you sharing some content in the part of sales and marketing for doing the lead generation. So basically you need to work on that sales and marketing strategy. You need to update it. You need to change the price, you need to change the services, you need to analyze what you did in last 6 months and what are the result, and is the requirement now as per the previous data. What is the response of the client when you did the marketing in last 6 months? Now what is the strategy? So if strategy says like that you need to change something, then definitely you need to change, you need to update it. This is very very important. So consistently you need to work according to the consistently you need to work with updations. That means as per the updates, as per the current market scenario. For example, right now the this revolution is going um, uh, like AI revolution is the IT industry is becoming a AI uh, AI engineering. AI tools are available in the marketing. But if you are not aware, you are not using the tools, you don't know the process how to use the AI, and why AI is important, how you can make easy with the help, how you can make easy your business with the help of AI. So on the basis of AI you can make something do better, right? So you need to update the AI transformation in your business. So this is the part of consistency, consistently and follow up. So there are various updations in the consistently and follow up point. So I hope you understand what I'm saying here. So I shared the 5 points which I applied in my business in last 5 years, and successfully still I am running. But I am also facing the same situation which I told you. Like I need to work on the updation now. I need to work on the consistency and follow up. So I am on that point. This point always be not cleared, because this point always be applicable. If your business is growing, if your business is down, if your business is working or not, you are getting good revenue, it doesn't matter. The consistency and follow up is the most important point, which is continuous process. You need to work on a daily basis, or on the requirement basis, or the competition, on the basis of competition you need to work on it. So same thing, I am doing the same thing. So I shared with you the 5 points. I told you how many points. I told you like 5 points. The first one is business management. You need to understand your business potential, what potential required in that business which you are thinking to do. and you have the caliber for managing that business, your business, your caliber and your caliber, potential or hard working or determination should be equal to the business management process. Now the second point is business mathematical calculation. Your business mathematical calculation, that means each and every point like assets, liabilities, your working capital, your capital budgeting, your cash flow and profit and loss, your BEP, your in rate of interest return which you will receive in the in the in the whole financial year. These points should be calculative. Okay, now the third point is very important. You need to understand the, always you need to work on the process, business process knowledge. Don't invest to learn skills. You need to, if any updations, any skills is very demanding in the market, then you need to work. You don't need to learn that particular skills, you need to learn the process, how to do that particular skills in your business, how to apply that particular skills in your business. So you need to understand, you need to learn the process step by step. Each and everything you need to learn about the process knowledge. Now the fourth point is sales and marketing, which is very simple. I already told to you, the sales will decide how much revenue you are generating, right? And it depends on the marketing strategy, how your marketing is very effective and potential. Now the fifth point is consistency and follow up, which will be applicable forever. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and today in this video very helpful to you. And if you have any questions, any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box, and definitely I will help you. I will tell you how you need to do if you are studying somewhere. So if you want to learn how to do the outsourcing business, because I am doing the outsourcing business, that means I am giving services to different countries like UK, USA, Australia and Africa. So it depends on the client requirement or business requirement. So I am providing the services to different countries. Basically I am focusing on the US. So I have a most of the clients on from USA, right? So if you want to start the business, outsourcing businesses, how to get client from USA, then you can contact with me on the with the help of the comment, or I already mentioned the details in the description box. And if you are want to know the process of outsourcing, how to get the money from other country, or which account, how to open the account for receiving money from other countries, and what are the license, how many license are required, and what are the capitals, how much capital required for that particular business, and how you will get the client. So if you want to know anything about the outsourcing, you can contact to me. So thank you so much. We will connect soon, as well as we will connect as soon as possible. In the next video I will make a new video how to get client for your services. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.